I thought at the least I could do is put on eye protection, since I'm probably already setting enough bad examples already. Let's trim this down and see how it fits. Probably ought to plug in your cord first. Can't get your fingers off if it ain't plugged in. Probably ought to let it stop turning and unplug it before we throw it back up on the pile of junk. Just because. All right. Yes, those edges are sharp. Well, looks like if we take about right there, we might be approaching someone we can live with. Yeah, looks like about right there. All right. Let's go back and see if there's enough left on that wheel. Oh, the hood's falling apart. I don't need this part for what I'm doing, but I don't want to lose all the pieces parts either, so I'm just using this for a grinding shield. I don't think this welding lens even functions anymore. About right there. You gotta love up and down weather, especially hot summer weather and a snotty nose. About to drive me nuts. And no, my voice don't sound any better when I don't have a snotty nose. In fact, if I heard the voice you heard when I talk, I'd probably never say another word, but some folks seem to like my hillbilly twang. Okay. The rest of you just think I sound retarded, and I probably do, but that's what you got. All right. think. Trim a little more off of that. We can fit that up in there. And we'll probably be able to get rid of them. I guess if I point you where I'm looking, you can see better. I'll trim that down, make the match line right in there. Let's see what we can make happen.